Race fans, it's that time of year again. Welcome to the Wings Around the Globe. Hello, I'm Brent Mustangburger, and this is the flagship event of the world's fastest sport, where only the best of the best compete. Each leg brings a new challenge, testing agility, navigation, and endurance. But when it's all said and done, speed is the name of the game. Our very own Colin Cowling is standing by live from JFK Airport with the best seat in the house. How's the view, big guy?
Brent, the scene below me is absolutely electric. As you know, we have racers from all over the world here, but the real story should be who's coming in second to three-time defending champ Ripslinger, who is seeking to become the first four-time winner in the Wings Around the Globe. The racers are making their way to the runway.
All right, everybody, get your dusty bobblehead, your oven mitts, hats, bumper stickers, and I also ordered 1,000 commemorative whistles. Hey, you think you could help me set up a website?
Does a gigabyte?
Well, not if you pet him nicely.
Dusty! 136 nations compete, 21 selected. Folks, a step onto this field is a step into history.
Holy smokes!
And for the first time ever, folks, we have a in the race.
Well, he's gonna die.
Caught in the riptide.
Muchas gracias. Muy macho, no?
Whoa. Look at this crowd.
Stay focused, amigo. Don't let anything distract you. Yay, yay. Who is that vision?
Oh, that's Rochelle, the Canadian rally champ.
She is like an angel, sent from heaven, like a sunrise after a lifetime of darkness.
Like fresh fertilizer on a field of dying grass.
This is not your thing, my friend.
All right, racers, start your engine.
7 legs, over 31,000 kilometers, the world's highest mountains, and the deepest oceans all stand before them, just waiting to be conquered by the right competitor.
Here we go. Oh, boy.
All the preparation, it all comes down to this moment. One of these planes is about to fly off into the pages of sports history and become a champion.
Go!
And we are underway. Our first stage is a whopper, a dead sprint across the North Atlantic.
That's right, Brent. This is how it works, folks. The winner of the leg today is the first to take off tomorrow.
who's finally here? It's that low-flying farmer boy.
You do know this is a race, right?
That's a good one.
Excuse me, how much does a snowplow weigh?
Je ne sais pas, I do not know.
Enough to break the ice. I am El Chupacabra.
Ah, you are the snowplow, eh?
Ah, you could say that, yes.
And I am the ice.
Yes.
Cold, frozen, and lifeless?
No, it sounds better in Spanish.
Why don't you go plow yourself, El Chutoy?
She is like an angel.
This is from Wash Junction to Dusty Crophopper.
I read you, Chug.
So what's it like racing with the big dogs, Duster?
Oh, well, my wings froze solid. I had icicles hanging off my sprayer, and I nearly smashed into a 10-story iceberg.
Awesome!
Yeah, awesome is not quite the word that I would use to describe a gruesome near-death experience.
You hang in there, buddy. There's nothing better than dying while doing what you love most.
Oh, that's gonna make him feel a lot better.
Dusty.
Just like when the Jolly Wrenches were up in the Aleutians, the air down close to the sea has more moisture, which is why you took on ice.
You gotta try to fly higher.
Great.
The good news is, tomorrow's leg goes through the Bavarian obstacle course. It's all about agility, so it's your chance to move up. And remember,